AI is ruling the world today. Rabbit R1 and AI Pin has become the dark horse in today's era. Handheld devices like Rabbit R1 versus AI Pin are taking unique approaches to help people. The Rabbit R1 simplifies and streamlines daily tasks, while the Humane AI Pin is a wearable device that integrates with AI to complete various tasks through hand gestures and voice commands. We will shed some light on these devices in this post. Let's see who wins the Rabbit R1 versus AI Pin battle. What can Rabbit R1 do? Rabbit R1 is a cool voice assistant device powered by the Rabbit operating system. It's all about making your life easier by understanding what you want and getting it done fast. With its learning action model, you don't need to download stuff anymore. Just tell it what to do and it's on it. Plus, there's Rabbit Hole, a web portal where you can manage everything Rabbit OS related. Want apps? You got it. Ride sharing, food delivery, maps, shopping, you name it. Rabbit R1 can handle it without any subscriptions. Features of Rabbit R1: voice commands. Just talk to it and it'll do what you want, hands-free. Small screen, big impact. Its 2.88-inch screen makes navigating super easy and fun. Camera magic. Capture photos and videos from any angle effortlessly. Smart AI. It's like having a super smart helper to tackle even the toughest tasks. Cloud power. Get stuff done fast without using up your device's power. What can AI Pin do? Humane AI Pin is an amazing wearable device powered by large language models. It's like having a ChatGPT assistant right on your lapel. With its catch-up feature, it can summarize texts and emails for you, saving you time and effort. And check this out, it's got a built-in camera that can scan food to give you nutritional info, helping you keep track of what you're eating. But wait, there's more. It's not just about text and food. The AI Pin also has real-time translation abilities, smashing language barriers, and making communication a breeze. All these features are designed to make your life easier and boost your productivity. It's like having a super smart sidekick right there with you. Features of AI Pin. Wearable design. It's lightweight and easy to wear, and you can even attach it to your clothing. AI-powered interactions. Thanks to ChatGPT 4, it's like having a super smart buddy to chat with. Built-in camera. Scan objects and get information instantly. Gesture and voice control. Easy-to-use controls let you access apps without lifting a finger. Design and hardware. Rabbit R1 will look like a flip phone that fits in the palm of the hand and comes with a scroll wheel, push buttons, and voice recognition provision. It has a 2.9-inch display for viewing and accessing apps. On the flip side, a Humane AI Pin can be attached to clothes. It comes with a touchpad and a laser projection display. The device is portable, while AI Pin is wearable. AI Pin's hardware capabilities come with a faster processor, camera, and projection capabilities. User experience. R1, which runs on Rabbit operating system, will work based on big action model to complete tasks in apps through voice commands. AI Pin will activate AI with voice and hand gestures. It will translate the information into different languages and summarize the object by scanning it. R1 will manage various apps on its interface, while AI Pin will use AI to perform tasks. Price and availability. The R1 will cost around $199, while the AI Pin will cost around $699. From this, it is clear that the price of R1 is much more affordable than AI Pin. However, the AI Pin is versatile and wearable. The laser projected display sets this device apart from the Rabbit R1. Hardware specifications. The hardware specifications for the Rabbit One Real versus AI Pins are as follows. Rabbit R1. Display size 2.88 inches. Battery capacity 1000 mAh. Processor model MediaTek. Bluetooth specifications 5.0, Wi-Fi 5, and 4G LTE. RAM 4 GB. Storage capacity 128 GB. Camera 8 MP night vision camera. Humane AI Pin. Processor Snapdragon. RAM capacity 4 GB RAM. Storage capacity 32 GB, camera specifications 13 MP camera. The laser will be in a custom color with a 720p resolution. In the battle between Rabbit R1 and the AI Pin, both devices bring unique features to the table. The Rabbit R1 simplifies tasks with its voice commands and intuitive interface, while the AI Pin enhances productivity with its wearable design and AI-powered capabilities. Whether you're looking for a handy assistant or a smart sidekick, both devices cater to different needs and preferences. While the Rabbit R1 offers affordability and convenience, the AI Pin stands out with its versatility and advanced features. Ultimately, the choice between Rabbit R1 and AI Pin depends on your lifestyle and priorities. Whichever device you choose, you're sure to experience a new level of efficiency and convenience in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons.